Hey guys, here again, SD Mobile Shine with a customer. Just finished the work out here in Rancho Bernardo. Here with Nelson. We did a Honda Pilot 2009 results. Oh, sorry, it's an Element, Honda Element. There it is. There's that for you. And here's the man right here, Nelson. What do you think, buddy?
Yeah, honestly, this just made my whole car look brand new again, man. Amazing.
That's right. That's right. That's what we do right here. This is the type of work we give out to customers. It's not the mitts, it's not the toothpaste, it's not your Deets or your WD-40. It's the real deal, professional grade type of work. So that's what you're gonna get. You're gonna get them right back new again, and that's what we do.